Hello children, welcome to another class of computer. Okay, last class we have studied the second chapter. So today we are going to continue this chapter. Okay, what are the things we have learned in our previous class? Yes, what are the parts of the computer? Can you tell me what are the parts of a computer? Yes, monitor, keyboard, CPU, mouse and speaker. These are the parts of computer. Then, can you tell me what is the spelling of monitor? Yes. M. Next. O. N. I. T. O. R. Then, which type of device a monitor is? Monitor is an output device. Right. Then, can you tell me another parts of computer? So, monitor is a part. Then next part is keyboard. Then what is the spelling of keyboard? K E Y keyboard. D O A R D keyboard. Keyboard. K E Y B O A R D keyboard. Then another part CPU. CPU is another part of computer. Then next is mouse. And can you tell me what is the spelling of mouse? M. Then O. Next U. S. E. Mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Next. So monitor, keyboard, CPU, mouse and speaker. Yes. P. E. A. K. E. R. Yes. Speakers. Okay. Then what are the things we have learned? Previous class. Yes, how many buttons are there in a mouse? There are 2 buttons. What are they? Left button and right button. So how many buttons? Left button and right button. Then there is a scrolling wheel in between these 2 buttons. Right? Okay. Then mouse has a pointer. Mouse has a pointer which is linked to the screen. Then after that we discussed about pointing. Pointing means what? To move the mouse and bring down the mouse pointer to the place where you want to point. That is pointing. Then clicking means just press the left button of the mouse. So what is clicking? Press the left button on the mouse. Then the mouse makes a click sound. Right? Then double click means click the left button twice. 2 times. Click the left button on the mouse 2 times. That is double clicking. So mouse makes a double click sound. Okay. Then what is dragging? Dragging is hold down the mouse and just move the mouse. Hold down the left button and just move the mouse. That is dragging, and that action is called drag and drop. Okay. Then next, speakers. What is the use of speaker? Speaker is used to hear the sound from the computer. That means speaker help us to listen music played on the computer. Okay. Then what is the use of a UPS? UPS stands for uninterrupted power supply. That means if there is a situation like a sudden electricity failure or any voltage variation, we have a solution. We can attach UPS to the computer. We can connect UPS to the computer. Then it will give some hours for doing work. Okay. Then let's see what are the type of computers. What are the type of computers? Computers are different types based on size and speed. And last class we studied about two types of computers. What are they? Desktop computers and laptop computers. Then can you tell me what is the spelling of desktop? What is the spelling of desktop? D E S K. Desktop. T O P. Desktop. So DESKTOP. Desktop computers. Then what are the features of desktop computers? It is big in size and it is not very expensive. The complete units of computer. Then what are the complete units? We know the main parts: mouse, keyboard, CPU, monitor, speaker. That is the complete unit that is placed on a desk. That is known as desktop computers. Okay. Another type of computer is laptop. Then what is the spelling of laptop? L-A-P, lap. T-O-P, laptop. So L-A-P-T-O-P, laptop computers. Laptop computers are portable computers. Portable means we can carry this type of computers to everywhere. We can carry these computers to any other locations. And it has an inbuilt keyboard, a mouse, that means a touch bar, then a screen in front. Okay. Then it has a battery to recharge. That means it works on battery even when we are not plugged in. That is laptop. What is the spelling? L-A-P-T-O-P. The next is tablet. So now we are going to learn about another type of computer, that is tablet. T-A-B, tablet. L-E-T, tablets. Tablets. Okay, another type of computer is tablets. Have you seen this type of computer? Tablets. Yes, we are sometimes playing games on the tablets. That means this type of computer is very great for gaming, accessing internet, sending messages, etc. So tablets are another type of computers. Okay. Then it has a screen and which a user can touch the screen with our fingers. So what is peculiarity? It's operated by using touch screen. We can touch using our fingers. In some type of tablet, stylus may be available. Stylus means it looks like a pen. We can touch the screen using that stylus. That is stylus. It is a device for touching the screen. Okay, so tablets means, what is the spelling of tablet? T-A-B-L-E-T-S. It is another type of computer, very small in size, and this type of computer has also a screen, a touch screen, a keypad, and already inbuilt in this type of computers. That means it uses a touch screen operating. And also inside some type of tablets, stylus are used. It is look like a pen and it is used for touching the screen. Okay. Then this type of computers are used for gaming, then reading contents, sending messages, then accessing internet, etc. Okay, these are all about our chapters. Then let me remind you what are the things we learn in our computer. So, the first point, the main parts of a computer are monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse and speaker. Monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse and speaker. The next point, the monitor displays what you do on the computer. Monitor means it is an output device and it shows the output. It shows the work which you done on your computer. Then next is CPU. CPU means, what's the full form of CPU? Central Processing Unit. It does all the calculations in the computer and it is used for making decisions. So what is the job of a CPU? It does all the calculations and it makes decisions. Then third one, keyboard. Keyboard is which type of device? It is an input device. It is used to type letters. That means we can give instruction through the keyboard. And next is mouse. Mouse is a pointing device. It is also an input device. It is a pointing device. It is used for pointing and clicking. It has a pointer which is linked to the screen. Okay. Then next is speakers. Speakers help you to hear sound from the computer. Speakers are used to listen sound from the computer. Then types of computers are desktop computer, laptop computer and tablet are the different sizes of computer. So our second chapter is completed. Then let's do some worksheet. This is the worksheet 10. So worksheet 1. Find the hidden names for the parts and draw lines to join them with their pictures. Names can be found vertically and horizontally. So can you see this picture? Look at the picture in the page number 17. So there are some hidden names for the parts of a computer. So you have to identify which are the parts which is hidden on this puzzle. Okay. So can you see what is this picture? This is the picture of a CPU and CPU is already marked here, CPU. Then can you find any other words in this box? Yes, speakers. Speakers. Where is the word speakers here? In the second row. In the second row you can see speakers. Yes. P E A K E R S. Where is the speaker in this picture? Look at this. Here is the speaker. Okay. Next is in the fifth row you can see the word monitor. Fifth row means first row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row. In the fifth row, you can see the word monitor. So, monitor. Monitor spelling is M-O-N-I-T-O-R. Then, so we found out CPU, speakers and monitor. Then, can you see the word keyboard? Third column. In the third column you can see keyboard. Column means vertical direction. First column, second column, third column. In the third column you can see the word keyboard. Then what is the spelling of keyboard? K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Then where is the keyboard in this picture? So this is the keyboard. Okay. Next word is mouse. So where is the mouse here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Seventh column. So first column, second column, third column, fourth column, fifth, sixth, seventh column. You can see the word mouse. Then what is the spelling of mouse? M-O-U-S-E. Okay. Then you have to fill or draw vertically and horizontally lines in this box in your textbook. Okay. Then let's go to the worksheet number 2. See the mouse drawing on the left side. Can you see this picture? This is a mouse, right? And draw it on the empty grid on the right side. So you have to draw this mouse into this empty grid. So draw a picture of mouse in this empty grid. Okay. Okay. Then worksheet number 3. Do you see the actions done on the mouse? Write them down in the blanks given and also match them correctly. So, this is, here we can write click, click. So, 2 times click. That means this indicates double click. So, this action is what? Double click. So, first picture shows double click. Okay, first picture shows double click. Then in the second and third picture, we can see a person drag the mouse from one location to another location. That is, move the mouse from one place to another. So that action is dragging. So second and third picture shows dragging action. And third one, there is one click. That means clicking. Just one click. So first picture shows double click. And second picture shows dragging. And third picture shows click. Just a click. Okay. Then you have to fill. There is some missing letters in these words. Then you have to fill that missing letter. So let's see. First is C, L, then there is a missing letter, and C, K. Can you identify the word C, L dash C, K? What is the missing letter here? I. So, write the letter I here. So, what is the word? Click. C, L, I, C, K. Click. Then match. Where is the click picture given here? So, match the click into this. Okay. So, here just write the letter I in this word and then match to this picture. Okay. Then second one, D, O, there is a missing letter, then B, there is also a missing letter, E, then C, L, I, C, dash. So can you identify the word? D, O, there is a letter missing here, then B, also another letter is missing, then E, C, L, I, C, another letter is missing. D, O, what is the letter here? U, D, O, U, D, L, E, double. So the word starts with double is double click. So C, L, I, C, K, double click. Then identify the picture of double click. You can match double click to here. So, draw a line from this word to this picture. Okay. Then, next is third one. D is missing letter here. A, G, and D, R, dash, T. So, what's the word here? D, dash, A, G. Drag, and drop, D-R-O-P. Drag and drop. Drag and drop means what? Dragging is the process of just press the left button. Just hold down the left button and move the mouse. That is dragging. And that action is known as drag and drop. Okay. So, what is the picture here? We can match this to this picture. Drag and drop. Okay. Next is worksheet number 4. Sunny has written some sentences about computers on a sheet of paper. Help madam to check the sentences. Tick the sentence which you think is correct and cross the sentence which you think is wrong. So, first sentence. The monitor displays what you do on a computer. The monitor displays what you do on a computer. Is this sentence correct or not? What is the job of a monitor? It displays the work we done on the computer, right? So here the statement is the monitor displays what you do on a computer. So is this correct or not? Yes, this is correct. So you have to put a tick mark on this box. So just put a tick mark on the box given here. Okay. Then second question. The keyboard is a part where you hang the keys of your house. Does a keyboard is a part which hang our house keys? Is it true or false? Keyboard is a device. It's not a place where hanging the keys. So is this statement correct or not? It's not correct. It is false. So the keyboard is a part where you hang the keys of your house. This is wrong. So put a cross mark on this box. So put a cross mark on this box. So second question is false. And third question, the CPU does all the calculations and take decisions for the computer. What's the job of a CPU? CPU does all the calculations and take the decision from the computer. Is it right? What is the job of a CPU? Yes, it does calculation and it makes decision. So this statement is correct. So you have to put a which mark? Tick mark on the box. Okay. Then fourth question. Speakers allow you to record sound for your computer. Speakers allow you to record sound for your computer. Speaker is an output device. So is it record our voices? No. Then can you tell me which is the device used for recording sound? It's microphone, not speaker. Its microphone is used to record the sound. But speaker is used to hear the sound from the computer. So this is wrong. So put a cross mark on the box. Okay. Then fifth question. A desktop computer is the smallest size of the computer available. And we have studied what are the different types of computer? Desktop computer, laptop computer and a tablet. Then which one is the smallest? Yes, tablet is the smallest among the three. But here the question is, a desktop computer is the smallest size of the computer available. Is it right or not? It's false statement. So put a cross mark on this box. Okay. So first question is true. Second question is false. Third question is true. Fourth question is false. And fifth question is also false. Then worksheet number 5. Next we are going to worksheet number 5. So the question is, Rajan is showing pictures of various parts of a computer. Rajan is a boy here. He shows some pictures of a parts of computer. So write the name of the parts on the blank line. First of all, just write the name of the part which shows the picture shows given the head of Rajan. So just write the name of part in the blank line and also take the help of the help box below to write what each part does in the empty balloon boxes. So here is a box. You can write what is the job of this part from here. A help box is here. So you can select the statement and then write the job or what is the statement based on the picture here. So first one, can you tell me what is the picture? Mouse. So first there is a mouse, and there is a text box here, and there is a boy, then there is a triangle. So first this picture is a mouse. So write mouse in this blank line and then write the statement of the mouse. So from the help box, in the help box, what are the statements here? It shows the result, it gives out, it does calculation, we type with it, we point with it. So what is the use of a mouse? Mouse is used to point an object. So we can write we point with it. So write here we point with it. We point with it. Okay. In the second picture, so what is the picture here? CPU, and you write the statements from help box. So what is the statement here? It does calculations. So you can write here it does calculations. Okay. Then next is, what's the picture? Monitor. So a picture of monitor, and then you write the spelling of monitor here, and then in the text box, what is the job of a monitor? It shows the result. So it shows the result. Then another one, here is this one, keyboard. So what is the spelling of keyboard? Keyboard, keyboard. Then in the text box, you can write we type with it. We type with it. We type with it. We type with it. Okay. Then finally the last one. There are some speakers. So just write here speakers. S-P-E-A-K-E-R-S, speakers. And in the text box, it gives sounds. It gives sounds. Okay, so this is the result of worksheet number 5. So our second chapter is completed. So write your notes in your computer notebook, and if you have any doubt, so please write after the end of notebook. Okay, so thank you.